Hi guys! Today I'm going to make an essential single pouch for the DoTERRA Beadlet. This project has been requested by one of my favorite subscribers, and she asked if I could make a pouch for a single oil doTERRA. And this pouch can fit a doTERRA beadlet, and the design is flower on top. Now it's also a drawstring, so once you pull it, you will see there are also 2 leaves beneath each flower. It's very easy to make. It is great as an early Christmas present, giveaways, tokens, and also you can easily hang it in your bag so it will be easy to find. For this project, you will need 3 kinds of colors, or as many as you want. For the flower, I used magenta and lavender, green, and white. So you may use any medium weight yarn, and I used 3mm hook. To start your project, you're gonna make a magic ring, chain 1, and work 6 single crochets in the magic ring. So once you have 6 single crochets, we're now going for the next round. So we have 5 and 6. Now after that, you're going to pull the yarn tail and then work your round 2. So we're going to make an increase in every stitch. So we're going to start with 1 single crochet, another single crochet in the same stitch. So we have 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet in the next. So 1 and 2 until we have 12 single crochets in total. So for every stitch there should be 2 single crochets, and there will be a total of 12 single crochets on round 2. So now you can add a stitch marker on the first stitch. So this is going to be the first stitch of the 3rd round. So we're not going to increase on this round, we're just going to work in rounds, and each stitch we will work 1 single crochet. Just keep on working 1 single crochet in every stitch. Now if you're not adding stitch marker, make sure that you stop at the 12 single crochet and then count again for the 4th round. So just keep on continuing working 12 single crochets in every round until you get to round 20. So you will need 17 more 1 single crochet in every round. This is how it looks like once you reached round 20, and make sure that the item fit inside this pouch that we're making. So I think it fits enough, and that should be the right size. So on the last stitch of round 20, you're going to finish it with a different yarn, and you can choose a yarn color that is suitable for a flower. It could be any color you want. So after that, you're going to tie both tails together. After you tie it, you're now going to start on the first stitch, which is 1 single crochet on round 21. This is the first stitch of round 21, and then just simply count 1 single crochet in each stitch until you have 12 single crochets in total. Once you have your 12 single crochets, work on the back loop only. Start with slip stitch on the first back loop only, and then chain 3. Work 3 double crochets in the next stitch, back loop only. So there's 1, 2, 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into the next stitch, back loop only. So we're going to work petals on the back loop only, because we're gonna get back to the front loops to create another group of petals. So if you have 12 single crochets, you're going to end up having 12 petals in total. So we have now 2, and you may go ahead and work the other 4. So here I'm trying to work my chain 3 of my last petal. So 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to work a slip stitch in the same stitch as the first chain 3. Okay, now we're going to, now this one we already have 6 petals, and we're going to create 6 more petals at the bottom. So when you look back, you're going to chain 3 first, work the first front loop, and work 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, and 3, and then chain 3, and then slip stitch on the next front loop. So we're just going to simply repeat working the petals until we have 6 petals in total. So after working the last petal, you may weave in the ends. Make sure it's hidden well. And then we're now ready to add the drawstring. So to do that, you're gonna need a green yarn for the leaf. And in the next clip, I'm gonna show you how to do that. So this is how it looks like once you put in the beadlet. And make sure that it fits well. And then we're now going to add the leaves, which is also the drawstring. So make a slip knot and then work 40 chains. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and keep on counting until you have 40 chains. Okay, so once you have your 40 chains, you're now going to cut the yarn and we're going to make the leaves in the next clip. To make the leaf, you're going to chain 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the second chain from hook, you're going to work a slip stitch. Next is you're going to work a single crochet. The third, you're going to work half double crochet. So in the last 2 chains, you're going to work 1 double crochet in each. Now for the last stitch, you will add 2 more double crochets, and this will turn your work to the opposite side. So on the opposite side, you're gonna work your first double crochet, and then in the next you're gonna work half double crochet. Next one, you're gonna work 1 single crochet, and in the last you're just going to work a slip stitch on the first slip stitch of the opposite side. So this will make 1 leaf. You need to make 1 more. So you can use a yarn needle to insert the string until you get to the same spot where the end of the string is. And then after this, we're gonna add the leaves that we made earlier. Now we are almost done. We're just going to sew in the 2 leaves on both of the ends of the strings. Okay, so there you go. You now have a pouch for your favorite doTERRA beadlet. And you can just hang it in your bag, especially when you're on the go, so that it will be easier to find. Now, if you like this video, please do not forget to like, comment down below for some request for souvenirs, Christmas giveaways, or whatever project you think is interesting. Also, I would like to thank all my subscribers because we're now hitting 25. Thank you all for supporting, and God bless you. If you are new to my channel, you can check back the videos because I have made bags and purses, and who knows, you might find some of the projects that you might like for Christmas giveaways and other items that you can sell on your store. Also, if you would like to make a request about a certain project, please do not hesitate to comment, and maybe sometime in the future I might be able to fulfill that request. Thank you so much, and may you all have a wonderful day.